let's take a look at the basic anatomy of the machine. Starting at the back of the machine, you have over here the placket that has the serial number and model number and everything on it. Then if we move over, you've got your network connection where your power cord goes and your on-off switch. If we spin this around, if you were facing the machine, this would be off to your left if you were facing. Up here, you've got inside this box, this is just a cover. This is your color change motor. This here is your wiper motor. This is your jump motor. And here is your LED light that you can aim so that it's aimed where you want it to be. Okay. Back behind here, you've got this plastic piece, and this is the bill guard. This prevents the bill of the hats when you're sewing them from hitting any of this. Okay. If I move this out of the way, this is your wiper bracket. Your wiper rides on that. And if we spin this around to the front, up top, you've got your thread tree, your pre-tensioners, your thread tubes, your main tension knobs, your thread brake sensors, that's what these white wheels are. If I open the cover, your take-up levers, your guides, your take-up springs, more guides, your temporary holding spring, and then down at the bottom here, of course, we have our needles and our presser feet. The whole purpose of a presser foot is it presses against the needle plate, also known as a throat plate, and it traps the fabric during the period of time that the needle is in the fabric so it doesn't move around, so it's not bending the needle. This overall piece right here on the front of the machine is referred to as the embroidery head. Down in the bottom here, you've got your picker. This is what sets how long the trim tail is when it trims. And then in the center here is, of course, our bobbin. And just on the outside of that is our rotary hook. If we spin this just a little bit more, we've got our control panel. And this part here, where this moves left and right and forward and backward, that whole piece is referred to as the pantograph. If I turn this a little more and push this back, this whole piece here that sticks out is referred to as the bed or bed arm. And then all of this down here would be your frame. This piece that sticks out, that holds the embroidery head, that part is referred to as the sewing arm. And then, of course, down at the very bottom, we've got our feet.